In this tutorial we're just going to quickly run through how to apply staff pricing to products. So if we want to use staff pricing, if we go through to Setup and System Setup, you'll see in version 1.2 we've altered the setup screen and we've added a new button called More Setup. If you click More Setup, this brings up a new menu. At the moment there is only one item in here, which is staff pricing setup. So if you select staff pricing setup, this brings up the staff pricing setup screen, and what you're able to do here is identify what staff pricing model you're going to apply. So you can use cost pricing, you can use cost pricing plus tax, and you can use a set discount percentage for staff pricing. You can only select one of these at any one time. So if we use cost pricing, save and go back to EPOS. So if we now sell a product, and you'll see that if we pick the television, which is item 1, the cost price is £45, where the retail price is £118.80. So if we select the television and add to our basket, we then go through to basket control and select staff pricing. You'll see that now the item has been reduced to £45 as the cost price, and also the basket has been identified as a staff pricing transaction. So we can complete that transaction off as we would normally. So if we go back to System Setup and More Setup, back into staff pricing, if we select Use Cost Pricing plus Tax and go back to our EPOS, and we can select our television once again. If we now go through to basket control and click staff pricing this time, you'll see this price is now £54, which is the cost price plus the tax. So we can skip completing that basket, go back into Setup, System Setup and More Setup and Staff Pricing Setup, and this time if we select Use Percentage Discount, we're able to define what discount we're going to apply for our staff sales. So if we put 10% in, go back to our EPOS and once again sell our television, go into basket control and select staff prices, you'll see that the pricing has been reduced by 10%. So that's staff pricing as applied to the EPOS solution.